In this video I am going to show you how to create a smooth zoom transition in Premiere Pro. Before we start editing, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our new tutorials. We are going to start by going to the Effects panel and searching for Transform. Then drag it onto both of the clips that you want to transition. Then click on the first clip and go up to Effect Controls. Then move to the last frame of your clip like this. Then go to the Transform effect and increase the scale to 180. And create a keyframe at scale. Now move a few frames to the back and change the number back to 100. Now uncheck the Use Compositions Shutter Angle. Then change the shutter angle to 360. The next step is to select the second clip and go to the first frame of that clip. Now change the scale to 150 and create a keyframe. Then move a few frames to the right and change the scale back to 100. Now just like before, we will uncheck the Use Compositions Shutter Angle, then change the shutter angle to 360. Now to make the animation smoother, select the keyframes for the first clip and right-click, then go to Ease Out. Now select the keyframes for the second clip and right-click, then go to Ease In. Make sure that the keyframes are at the last frame of the clip and the first frame of the clip. If you want to change the speed of the animation, all you have to do is to move the second keyframe of both clips closer or further from the first keyframe. And this is the final product. And that's it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, then leave a like and subscribe and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming tutorials.